Hey, how you doing, guys? Okay, here's an update on the SVO's long tube header exhaust replace. Okay, so here is the H-pipe, all ready to go, ceramic coated. Here's the one I took out of my car where I cut it in order to make it easier to work with my shorties. So it's almost exactly the same length as that one now. So if I have issues, I can always mod that one if I need be. Now, these mufflers with the big wide mouths, I want to get them on there eventually, but it just gets too dusty working in the garage. So, to clean them up, I want to do a good job on those as well. Clean them up and get the nice tips, nice chrome again as well. But it's going to get way too dusty, so I'm going to wait until the spring or the nicer weather where I can do it outside, because you really do need this baby in order to really get things down and dirty, and that generates a lot of dust, and I don't want to get more dust on my babies. That one's covered, thank God. Anywho, here's the headers, both all fully wrapped, ready to go. Another reason I am not in a rush for those is because underneath here in the SVO, I have, you can't see it that well from this side. See that? Cutouts before my mufflers. So that's part of the reason why I want to keep this set up for now. I want to see what that sounds like with the cutouts off the long tubes. And then maybe I'll get around to changing the full exhaust once I get it done. Anyways, though, that is the deal. See how much I get done tonight. A little sore, so I'm going to putter away, and this is going to be a multi-day process because I just don't have the energy or the ability to do it all in one shot. So bear with me, guys. See how far we get tonight. All right, here we go. Okie dokie. So this is what we got going in. I decided to wrap the H-pipe as well. So I had to get my cold air intake out of the way. And where the heck did I put it? The strut tower brace too. That had to come out as well. Now, unfortunately, I'm not going to go any further tonight because they're a little rusty down there, right? So I want to spray them down with some anti-seize and let them soak overnight, and then I might get at them. But that's what I think the game plan is for this side and the other side. Might have a leaky rocker cover there. I should look into that too, eh? Anywho. Well, carry on, I guess. Okay. So, I popped out here at lunch to see if the WD loosened the header bolts, and yeah, came out real easy. So I didn't disconnect the O2 sensors yet though off of the H pipe, so I got to get underneath, disconnect the O2 sensors, pull this one out, and then hopefully the long tube will go in there and I won't have to loosen the motor mount and lift the engine. Fingers crossed. Okay, here's an update. Had to remove the throttle body and still not getting by. So I've loosened the motor mount and now I'm going to lift the motor up, and I'm really hoping I don't need to get a mini starter, but I don't know. We'll see. Alright, here she goes. Okay, boys and girls, here's where I'm at. So I removed both engine mounts, but I can't get high enough still, so to get by that, not actually the starter, even removing the starter won't help because I got the, the transmission housing, bell housing, I think that's what they call that. So I don't think I'm getting the engine high enough with my bricks there on my jack, and I'm not very comfortable doing it that way, so I haven't even taken this one off yet. So I'm debating, I think I might leave it for the weekend. Might go out and buy an engine hoist. I'm going to need one eventually because eventually I will be swapping engines out of these cars. So I'll just get one of those, and then hopefully I can lift it up more confidently, give me the room and the clearance to get by with that header. I may need a hand from someone, so I have to go ask my buddy Brad to give me a hand. Yeah, I'm calling you out, Brad. I'm gonna need your hands, buddy. All right, guys. I think I'll end this one here for now, and we'll get back at it when I get back at it. All right. So I'm trying to keep them short, guys. Trying to keep them short for you, so I don't bore you to death. I hope everyone's having a great night.